Machines serve humans well when the interface between human and machine works to human advantage. That relationship, the human-machine interface, is vitally important to Volvo construction equipment.
Product design on its own is not really adding that much value. We're adding value when we're working with some other departments. So all together we're able to input on new ideas and new processes, and we from product design we're able to create some very quick prototypes, iterate them together with the cross-functional team, so just about everybody that has knowledge at Volvo, and really come up with a solution that's the best suited solution for our customer.
It's this pooling of knowledge that Sidney Levy finds the most important aspect of his job. He's a facilitator first and foremost. Having an end product that does what it was intended to do and looks good is not quite good enough for him.
For us, from product design, if we do a good job, we want people obviously to be more efficient, but we also want them to be a little bit delighted. So we want to have some little solution that will make them happy, and I think we achieved that with the copilots.
CPAC Systems is a wholly owned Volvo subsidiary, working closely with the Volvo CE product design team, engineers, customers and others to resolve problems through technology, to make things work better for the customer. Here, a co-pilot loaded with the new Dig Assist app is fitted to a realistic simulator, allowing it to be adjusted to meet real-time needs, while any potential problems are ironed out.
So what you see here is the co-pilot Dig Assist for excavators. It helps the operators to increase their efficiency in the field. Really, in the basic setup, it helps them to just know in which height they should dig towards. And they can do that easily by just tapping this. We can go down 1 meter, for example. And as you see here on the screen, that's where they should be. We add a task here. For example, we choose the in-field design, which is basically a 3D software. For example, we can take this trench that is quite common for a lot of operators to dig. And they could, if they want, change it quickly. Otherwise, they decide where they should head, if they should go from the direction of the machine, for example. By having that done, you then set how much you want to, if it's going to be straight or if it's going to lean. If it's going to be straight, you set, and you basically are ready to go.
It certainly makes life more straightforward for operators. And just in case the developers want a tougher test than a simulator can provide, CPAC has its own building site. This is an ideal opportunity for its experts to collaborate with Sidney Levy's product design team and others to produce something that not only works and looks good, but is also easy to use.
We are very much involved in that, and we have worked a lot with our colleagues at Volvo CE and product design to make this human-machine interface something that is really a leap forward in usability and the ease of use for the end customer. All these functions that we are bringing out with the co-pilot and the assists today exist already, but they are not as accessible to the end customer as they are used to on a smartphone, for instance. It's the current status in the market is that it's quite finicky type of interfaces that are very engineering driven, and with the collaboration with Volvo CE and the product design people, we have tried to make something that is much more intuitive and much more like your modern smartphone experience.
Everywhere in the office, the team is engaged in writing computer code, finding and correcting any errors, and making the user experience simple and more pleasant. It is here that work has already begun on updating Load Assist, although that is still hush-hush. And there are more exciting products to come.
I feel that we're going to see at least 4 or 5 major apps in each product line fairly soon.
I think with the family of products we have at Copilot, we really get to a point where we optimize the worksite. So instead of optimizing machine by machine, we optimize the whole ecosystem, rendering the task more efficient, but as well more fun for our customers.
Virtual reality is an aid to development. By working together, technicians, designers, engineers, users, and everyone involved, new products can be brought quickly to market.
Absolutely. I think the collaboration between CPAC, Volvo, product design, but also Volvo product owners and Volvo engineering has been extremely important in order to mitigate all the risk in creating such a solution.
For Sydney Levy, facilitating that interaction is key to producing solutions that end users may not even realise they need. The trick, he says, is to spot problems before they arise. Neither he nor his many collaborators seem to be running out of ideas just yet.